Hi, I'm Dr. Ann Grotzek of Ophthalmology for Animals, and this is Smitty. And we are going to demonstrate, yes, that's right, how we use our eye care rebound tonometer on an obnoxious bird. You're very obnoxious. You are. Are you a good bird?
Miss Mary.
Yeah, you're a very, very good bird. So the hardest part about this is how to wrap a bird. And you can see Smitty is going to be very, very mad about this. After the initial trauma, how easy it is to take pressures. This is a rebound. I've already moved my toes. We're going to hold Smitty around the neck, which is the hardest part. Take the pressures. That's the easy part. You have to hold around the neck. The easiest part was taking the pressures. We're done. Right, Smitty? There we go.